In this video, I'll show you how you can get subtitles for literally anything. Let me just get to the point. The tool I'm going to walk you through is for generating subtitles in pretty much all of the languages you can think of. So when you find a movie, video, short film, TV show that you'd love to watch but it's impossible to find subtitles for, or subtitles in your language, with this tool you can just translate the ones you have or generate them from scratch. I'll show you the two key features it has: auto-generating subtitles from any languages, or translating existing subtitles to any languages. To get the tool, go to videoconverter.wondershare.com and download it for Mac or Windows. When you have it, open it up. Find the subtitle editor tool in the video section of the tools here. Alright, let's see how it works. If you have a video that has absolutely no subtitles, import it into the tool. Then click on the Auto Subtitle Generator AI. In the next window, select your source language, the original language of the video. Then select your target language, the language you'd like to have your subtitles in. Finally, click on Generate. The tool will generate the subtitles for you in no time. Additionally, you can edit the subtitles and give them a unique style, or even translate them to another language, but that takes us to the next feature. When you actually have subtitles for a video or movie in a language, but not in the one that you understand, you can easily use the Translator AI that works like Google Translate, but for subtitles. Just simply click on the Translator AI button and choose your language. Finally, click on Generate. When you have your translation, you can edit it and style it the same way. As a final step for both options, both generating subtitles from scratch or just translating them, you can export the subtitles as separate SRT files or burn them onto the video, whichever one you prefer, whichever one is easier for you. But that is how you can have subtitles for literally anything. This tool is absolutely amazing for any subtitle generating purposes, especially that it supports so many languages. But that was the video for today. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful. I'm going to thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.